everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Garima and I make videos about DIYs, home decor and lifestyle improvement. And if you like watching such content, then please make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you're not missing any of my video. So I know I'm posting this video after a month-long break. As most of you guys know, I was sick in between. I got long viral fever and then I am currently working on my dining space. Basically, this is our first apartment, if in case you're not aware, and I'm doing a lot of makeover projects myself, and in the process I bought a lot of interesting tools, home improvement tools, which I wanted to share with you, the haul. So I got very interesting, very useful tools which can be used in the longer run for my home, and I wanted to share the haul with you guys so that you can also purchase it and make your job easier. So all the home improvement tools and little things which I'm going to share today are very cost effective, and most of them are under rupees 100, so you can easily buy them and make your daily life easier. I like keeping some basic tools handy because if you have a small job, for example, if you want to put up a picture on your wall or just a painting, you have to call your carpenter for putting that nail into your wall, and he will keep you hanging because nobody wants to come for a small job. In such scenarios, all these tools are very helpful. We have hung all the pictures in our entryway, and we have done a lot of things ourselves. And all these tools help us a lot. They help us save time and money both. All the home improvement tools and items which I am going to show you in today's video are from Flipkart because they have the most affordable section and they have a lot of varieties to choose from in the home improvement section as well. So all the tools are from Flipkart. So the first tool which I absolutely love using is this leveler. If you like hanging pictures, you love gallery walls, or you love to do paneling on your walls, then this is a must-have tool.
This magnetic level is from Angel Hardware and it just costed me rupees 172. This is a multi-purpose tool. Whether you are hanging pictures or you are installing panels on your wall, this can be used anywhere. Flipkart has huge range of home improvement tools to aid DIY tasks starting from rupees 99 only.
The second tool in my home improvement tool haul is this hacksaw. I think this is very important for every home, otherwise you have to run to carpenter for every small job. Like when we were doing these paneling, we wanted to add this molding over the wall and we decided to do it ourselves, and we asked the carpenter to come just for cutting the wood, and he asked for rupees 700 to 800, which made no sense. So in all these scenarios, these saws are very helpful. This is just for rupees 266, and you can easily cut all the molding, and small wooden projects can be done very easily. Even you can create small wooden frames which are very costly otherwise. You have to just make sure you're cutting it properly and your hands are secure, you're not running it over your hand. So this is a must-have tool for every home, and this is from a good brand. This is from Stanley, so it is going to last for longer duration. This is going to stay with you for years. So this is a must-have tool for every home.
Flipkart has very wide selection of home improvement tools with great quality and genuine brands. All of them are Flipkart assured, so you can buy them without any worry. You can find home improvement tools for simple repairs starting from just rupees 99.
Next item in my haul is not a tool exactly, but I think it is a must-have for every home, because if you love hanging pictures, whether you live in a rental home or you have your own apartment, nobody wants to damage their walls. Because in these days all of us get bored with the decor very quickly and we want to change things now and then, and nobody wants to paint the wall again and again. And in all those scenarios, these picture hanging strips from Command brand is very useful. This will not damage your wall at all, and they have weight mentioned on the top of these packages. For example, this particular wall picture hanging strip can hold up to 7.2 kg, which is quite good. So you can easily hang your glass frames, your big picture frames, paintings, and whenever you will remove them, this will not leave any mark or any damage to your wall. And this is a very good option for renters as well. I'm going to hang a big painting in my dining area, and I did paneling with lot of hard work, so I did not want it to spoil or damage the wall in any case. So this is why I got this command strip, and I'm going to hang the picture using these strips, and then I'm going to show you in the dining area makeover video. So please do wait for that video as well.
Flipkart is best value for money platform with 10 lakh plus products. So it is my go-to platform for buying any sort of products for my home. So coming back to our command hook, this is a very well-known brand. Everybody knows about 3M. This is an international brand, and I love using their products. They are trustworthy, and you can even use these for hanging something on your tile in your washroom. You just have to make sure you are following the weight limit so that you are not hanging extra weight on these command strips. All the instructions are mentioned in the back, so please go through them whenever you are using these.
Next item in my haul is also not a tool but a very important home improvement item. So basically I love keeping these black spray paint. This one is from Asian Paint. You can buy any other brand as well, but I love using this one from Asian Paints because it has a nice finish and it gets dry very quickly. So such things are very useful whenever you are in hurry and you want to give a new look to your lamp, or I want to give a new look to my curtain rods. They are in silver color and I don't like them, so I want to paint them in black color. So in all these quick project scenarios, you can easily use this spray paint. So I always love keeping spray paint in golden and black color because these two colors are primary colors in my home. So similarly, you can also keep white color or any other color which goes with the aesthetic of your home. Always keep a bottle handy, a bottle of spray paint handy, so that you can easily work on your small DIYs or small improvement projects. Even you can paint your old taps, you can spray paint your old taps and then give them a coat of clear varnish, clear spray paint, and then you will have a nice beautiful looking tap. So this is also one must have home improvement product for any home.
This spray paint can be used on wood, on metal and plastic as well. This is why I like keeping this paint handy. Flipkart has huge range of home improvement products to aid DIY task. This is why I love buying from them again and again for all my projects.
Last item in my home improvement haul are these hooks. I swear by them. I use them all over my kitchen for hanging my kitchen towels, for hanging my iron baskets, for painting. You guys must have noticed it if you have seen my earlier kitchen videos. I love them. They are so simple and sleek. You can easily hang anything on them. You can hang your pans or ladles, spoons, anything, and you can easily take them off if you live in a rental. And even if you live in your own home, you do not want to destroy the tiles, you can easily stick them on the tiles very easily. I use them for hanging pictures, picture frames as well. Light picture frames, acrylic picture frames can be easily hung using these hooks. You can also use them in your washrooms for hanging towels if in case you live in a rental and you do not have any permanent solution. You can go with these. These are very handy, they look very sleek, and they are in beautiful silver color, so they go with any kind of home, and these are very pocket friendly as well, so I highly recommend.
Easy exchange, return, refunds and fast delivery is available on Flipkart, so go buy your favorite home improvement tools and make your life easier. Such products are perfect for redefining your creative corner, and they start from rupees 149 only.
So guys, that's it for today's video, and I hope you enjoyed this home improvement tool special video, and I'll be very soon coming up with second part of this, wherein I'll talk about another 5 home improvement tools which you must have for any Indian home.
Also stay tuned for dining area makeover, which is coming soon. Till then, stay safe and take care.